a pyramid is just some polygon base connected all the vertices to a single vertex. Okay, so in this case, I'm representing it using a trapezoid as my base. Okay, and the surface area formula for this is simply this one. You actually do have to take your base, which again is the area formula for whatever the base shape is. So what would be the base, the area of this base, this trapezoid? What's the formula for that? 1/2. Susie? Good. Okay, so here's your base, your equation for capital B on this particular pyramid. Okay, 1/2 the sum of the bases times the height. Okay, and understand the height is going to be the lowercase h is this distance between the parallel sides of the trapezoid. Okay, as far as we only have one single base for this, so it's one base plus, and then every lateral face is a triangle. Okay, and so because these triangular lateral faces aren't always going to be the exact same measure, you have to just add them individually. So for the surface area of a pyramid, you do have to kind of sum up the pieces, take the area of each individual piece of that. All the lateral faces are triangles. The base is whatever its shape happens to be. But you'll just add those together. And so this one does vary depending on what type of pyramid you're looking at. And when you talk about the volume involves the height of the solid. And again, the volume is just, for a pyramid, is going to be the perpendicular from the vertex to the base. And so in this case, when you draw that down, you have to be able to think in terms of 3 dimensions, okay, to find the capital H. And lastly, make sure you can distinguish between the lowercase h, the height of the polygon, to the uppercase, the capital H, the height of the solid itself. And the volume formula for pyramids is going to be 1/3 capital B, capital H. Okay, so whatever the volume, or whatever the base shape is, that's going to replace the capital B, and then the height is just going to be that given distance between the vertex and that base.